back to
Kitties.
It's me, Shivani.
And Shankari.
And welcome back to our
Channel.
I think so the new intro is better.
Yeah.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Hey cuties! It's me, Shivani.
And Shankari.
And welcome back to our
Channel.
Okay, so today's video is something.
About me.
No, what do I do every time during the first dialogue which I tell in every video? Something?
Right, Shankari?
No, I don't tell right. Okay, yeah, I tell right, Shangri, but something else like
What is that?
something really special.
Really
Yeah. So guys, today's video is really special. It's because we're doing something really special again. Yeah, I'm speaking very fast.
No, you're not.
Okay, so before we start the video, please like and subscribe to,
Kitty!
and we'll see you guys next time.
Why sing the outro?
Sorry. Okay, let's just get on with the video. Actually. So what are we doing is, so recently Shangri got a new pet. Okay. We are going to show you guys Shangri's pets, and also we're also going to tell you guys some stories, some incidents
It's a big
based on that pets. So first, let's move on with the first pet, which is Shangri's.
Zoe!
So this is Zoe. So please introduce Zoe to them.
Zoe is 0 years old.
Oh yeah, Zoe is 0 years old. Poor Zoe.
But there's a long story.
Wait. I'll explain the story. I'm the best storyteller. So guys, this is Zoe.
Zoe, can I tell the story because I know
Okay, you
nothing.
just introduce her. I'll tell the story.
No, I know the full story.
Have you guys read any stories that always it's tell like Shivani, the world's best storyteller?
Never.
Yes.
Never.
Yes.
Never.
Yes. Yes.
Never,
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's just.
Yes. Shangri got Zoe from you know who. Okay. Shangri Zoe. So as I told, you know who gave Shangri Zoe. So if you guys want to know who is this, you know who, we'll be revealing it in our next video. And if you it out, just comment down below. Yeah. So I'm not sure with the whole story. So if I make any mistakes, the one and the truly best storyteller, the second best storyteller in the whole wide world, which is Shangri would tell. You're the second best. I'm the first best.
But I know the whole story, so you don't know any story. Okay, so then, when I got her, I was playing with her because I was really happy. I wanted a Pomeranian, but I got her.
She wanted a real dog, but can I just tell you guys a story? So Shani wanted a dog, but the thing is, whenever she sees a dog, she runs away. And how is she gonna get a dog? Like, the thing about Zoe is, Zoe lasted for 4.5 weeks. She was playing with Shangri very happily.
No, I think for 2 months.
Yeah, she lasted for a long time, guys.
Just 2 months.
She lasted for 2 months. You lived for 2 months. God bless you.
So she was 2 months years old.
Yeah, so she's basically 2 months years old, okay guys. So what happened to her is, okay, one day Shangri was, okay, so they have like this carrier, okay, like which you can, and when you on like this thing, whatever switch, yeah, it goes, it bucks.
Like it goes and also it barks.
Yeah, it barks and it scares people away, like,
No!
yeah, whatever. So then one day, I think, yeah, Shangri is like obsessed with this thing. So whenever she on it, like, it's only like,
No. It was not doing anything.
yeah. So one day when Shangri on it, like, it was like,
Like that.
and then Shangri is like, why are you walking?
Next thing, like the battery must have.
Yeah, Shangri is like, what happened to you? Why aren't you walking? Oh my god, why aren't you walking? And then she told my father to repair. Then my father replaced the battery, okay? Something happened to it, and it's all because of the second best storyteller.
No!
The world's second best storyteller.
I don't do anything to it.
then Shangri got really, really sad. So she actually, guys, okay, I'm telling this truly. Even though it's like, not a real thing, she used to feel
Because
very
that
sad.
was the only dog I had.
Yeah, and she didn't want a dog, and she was like, every time she played with Zoe, she was like, he was like that. So then even I felt sad looking at Shangri. So guys, so that's what happened to Zoe. So then after that, after a few days, Shangri's, this is a very funny part, okay? So all this sadness is gone, so this is humor. So what happened was, she told her father like, Acha, can you like call a US number and check if they can repair this? So Shangri is telling to call the US number to check if they can repair this.
I
Like
don't
a
know
US
what
number.
is a US number. It was not written. And then
Of course they would, right? This is a US number.
no, never. And our dad was saying like, look at it, it's US.
Okay, so let's move on to the second pet, which is another dog.
It's a new pet because it makes me happier.
You heard the sound.
It's for real friends.
Okay, I want to tell you guys a joke, okay? So, like sometimes,
this joke
yeah.
already.
So sometimes, Shangri, stop. It's making. Can you stay quiet for some time? Good. Yeah. So, I told you to stay quiet. Yeah. Stop it. So, yeah. So, whatever like I tell, maybe Shani does not believe it because she does not believe me, like whatever I say. She needs proof, guys. Okay, first of all, I'm a sister. I'm elder than her, okay? These are all factors I have. Still, Shankari is like, for real? I'm like, why are you telling for real? That's a company which makes toys. And she's like, for real?
That was my word because I really wanted
For
it.
real?
No, let me put it
Stop making
still.
sound.
And it works!
So the features of this dog is,
A lot.
yeah, it has beautiful green eyes. Guys, so this dog is very special. He can lift his ears. You know why dogs have flappy ears? Oh, you know the answer. Why do you have flappy ears? And he has this cute little heart-shaped nose. Why do all dogs have heart-shaped
I
nose?
don't know.
Why can't I have heart-shaped nose?
And it is bad on you. It is good
Imagine-
on dog.
Imagine me with heart-shaped nose. So it has rollers in the front, and it also has a stick because this is a walk-a-lot. And what's his name?
Hazel!
So can you stop screaming in my ear? My eardrums will break. So Hazel has been living successfully for 1 week, so that's good news, right, Hazel?
Actually, there's a reason why I bought him. It's because it's a memory of Zoe.
Yeah, she got it as a memory of Zoe. Okay, so that was it for Zoe and Hazel's story and review. Okay, so the next pet which Angri has is a really good pet because it is a live pet. We have this, nest kind of thing which you can hang. I'll put the picture over here. So in this nest, we will be like, so in this nest, like, birds can, like small birds can go inside and sit. Yeah, so during rainy days and windy days that birds can, go inside and sit in this
Cute house.
yeah, this nest. So we were like waiting, like who's gonna sit inside, which bird, how are they gonna do it? Yeah, so we were waiting. So whenever like we see any bird coming near that, we'd be like, please go inside there, please go inside there, please live there, and all. But none of them is ready to live there. So we just got the information that the birds only live in the nests they make, like not in other people's nests, because they don't trust the other people's nests. So they only make their own nest. So they're not lazy, okay? They're not, of course, lazy, because if they were lazy, they'd be like, hey, whatever nest they make, I'll just go live there. I'm too lazy to make a nest. So yeah. But if I was a bird, I would definitely have done that. I would have just like, I would just live in some people's house. I don't care.
You're already like a bird.
I don't fly I with my wings. Have you seen any wings I have?
Yeah. Me.
And then one day we saw this bird again. It was I think so during
Actually,
an evening time. It was during an evening time.
I had already seen this bird.
So during evening time we saw this bird, okay? It just came into our balcony. So yeah, we
was
have the
not
nest in our balcony only. So this particular bird came in the evening. So it was sitting in the shoe rack, okay? So it was our old shoe rack. So we basically use it to store, stuff in the balcony. So we just kept it there. So it was sitting above that, okay? So it had made a nest, that particular bird. It made a nest out of sticks, and it was sitting there. It was sitting there in the evening time. So during the evening time, like our mom was just watching the bird, okay? So then after a few hours, like our mom just comes and tells us that the bird laid an egg. Then we were like, what? Like, really? Like, how could, like, we never expected that bird to lay an egg, okay?
Yeah.
So,
We've never seen it. Actually. It was like sitting like that, like a statue, or like. The
yeah,
bird.
honestly, yeah, that bird, so that bird was just sitting like a statue over there. And then when we go
It's still
check,
like
it had laid one egg, guys, and that's like a special egg. It laid one egg, so yeah, so it is a mother now. So congratulations, bird, if you're watching this. The mother bird, this is BirdTube, okay? So this is like YouTube only, but this is for birds. So this is BirdTube, and if you're watching this, congratulations. So after she laid an egg, okay, so there's this another bird, okay? So another bird is just coming and putting sticks for her, like all the time.
And that is.
It's the father bird. That's the father bird. The father bird is helping the mother bird a lot. So then the father bird comes and puts sticks all the time for the mother bird.
And
Even
now
though there's a
actually
nest.
father bird is sitting. The mother bird is taking a break from every day sitting in our balcony.
Okay, so if you guys don't know, like after the bird lays an egg, she has to sit on top of the egg just
Forever.
to warm the
Not
egg.
forever.
To maintain the temperature, she needs to sit on top of the egg. So the mother bird was sitting on top of the egg for a whole time, mostly the whole time, even day and night. But the thing was, this mother bird was still a statue, okay? Like she does, whenever like we're going to the
felt
balcony,
like a doll.
yeah, the mother bird is not even blinking. Like she's not staring.
It does blink.
It's like it's like she's doing a staring contest for 24/7.
24 hours.
24/7 and 24 hours is the same. Okay, so she was not even blinking. So I asked my father, like, why is the bird not even blinking? Like, what happened to her? And then my father was like, maybe it's because that I'm blinking and the bird is also blinking at the same time. That's why. So I'm like, that's a little suspicious. How could the bird just know when I'm blinking, and how can she just blink at the same time? Because humans blink during different times, right? So then how can a bird know that I'm going to blink right now? Even though I'm blinking. Yeah, so like that. And then after a few days, what happened was that again when my mom went to the balcony, she saw another egg.
It usually lays 2 eggs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, we forgot to tell the name of the bird. What's the bird name?
The morning duck.
Yeah, and the name Shangiri gave was
Coco. Coco.
Coco, yeah.
Coco.
And what is the father bird's name?
Shake.
Then what happened was that we found another egg. So if you're watching, so mother bird, if you're watching BirdTube, congratulations again. So then it laid another egg, and we don't know if it's a boy or girl. Like we can't know by just seeing the egg, right? Honestly, I don't know by seeing the bird if it's a boy or a girl, but we just thought like it's just predictions. Maybe it's not true. But wait. No. Actually, the mother bird only sits on top of the egg, so of course that would be the mother bird, and whoever does not is father bird. So
No. The father bird is right now sitting on.
the father bird can't sit on the egg.
Yeah, it does.
What?
Yeah, it does. Actually, there is another funny thing.
There's another funny story. So okay, so after this, birds laid eggs. So
Bird family thing.
yeah, the bird family with 2 kids, 2 happy parents. Here comes another incident. Okay, so when we were just sitting here for dinner or lunch, I don't remember. So guys, there were these two Maina. Okay, wait. So Maina is a Malayalam word which is a type of a species of a bird. I actually thought that you only tell Maina in Malayalam, but then when I checked in Google Translate, Google Translate, it is saying Maina is the same for English also. So I'm like, I never knew that. So yeah, they were saying there were these two Maina, so they were like out, like in the balcony. So we thought they were the neighbors.
Like the friends.
Yeah, the neighbors are friends from the old area where these birds were staying before. Yeah, because they were always coming here. They were like, really, hello, bye.
Oh,
Let me
nice
see your
house.
kids. Nice house, nice kids. Congratulations. And they were like, going, keep on. Like, they were always going to do that. And then, so the Maina like were friends with the birds because they always come to visit, right? Because of course we thought like friends, right? They come to visit, like, good friends. Then we were like good neighbors. They always care about you. That's why they come in. And then this incident happens that when I was in my bedroom, my Shangari and my parents were in the living room. That time I could hear like, everyone was screaming here and everyone was making noises here. I'm like, what happened? And then when I come, Shangari is like, the Maina's attacking the father bird and he's trying to steal the egg. And I'm like, twist.
It's a
Plot
twist of the
twist.
story.
Plot twist. So then it comes to a conclusion that the Maina was actually not at all friends with they were fake friends. They were only trying to get the egg from the family. My parents and Shangri were trying to scare away the Maina because
father bird.
yeah, but the father bird was fighting for his life and his child's life and his family's life. Okay, yeah.
No, we're not scared of.
So then they scared away the Maina, and thankfully, thank God, the Maina did not take any of the eggs. Okay, so eggs are still safe outside. But if they move to a different location, like we don't know what will happen to the eggs. Maybe they can, take care of the eggs.
No, they will take the eggs and go.
Yeah, of course they will take the eggs and go. Here's what happened, okay? So we of course go to the balcony all the time, okay? So that time, however close we get to that bird, the bird does not like jump up or like get for positioning or something. It just stays still, okay?
It's like
any be it me, my father, my mother, or anyone goes outside. But when the Maina suddenly came, they were like prepared to fight. Literally, they were like, what happened? Show that impression of the father bird.
like the father bird, actually I've never seen birds get so angry. Like the father bird was like, his feathers were like this much, and I thought a new bird came when I was studying. It's like, Amma, what is this new bird called? Is it that what is that?
Woodpecker.
Yeah, woodpecker. It looks like a woodpecker. Its hair, the head and all. And I was like, what's going on? And my mom was telling like, they're fighting. And then like the dad and then like the Maina jumped to where we put our clothes like and then the dad was like and then the dad scared away one Maina. It's like really scared, and then it went, and then the other Maina was like.
Yeah, so I just
Then
want to
the
give a
dad-
message to the Maina, okay? If you want to take like eggs from somebody, don't steal, okay? Like don't steal. Like yeah, guys. So that was the story of the Maina, and also, can you show your technique for scaring away the Maina?
Actually, the Maina's come a lot this time, so then I should. Then the Maina's go. After we should like 5 times.
So yeah, that was the story. So I think that's all of our stories and
That
incidents.
is really like artificial, but then it's real. It happened.
Yeah, it really happened, guys. Shari always scares me. She's like, Maina, and then she goes and scares her. I'm like, what happened? And then that's it for the pets and incidents and stories video.
And
So
the
hope you
bird
guys,
fight.
yeah, the bird fight. So comment down which is your favorite part of the video, and also comment congratulations to the bird family. And yeah, so hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to.
Good guys.
And we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. a sibling, comment down. If you guys are one of the elder siblings, this is what happens when you have a younger sibling and when you're the elder sibling. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Docious.
Docious.
Docious. Docious.